Okay. Surface area of a sphere, number 13. Surface area of a sphere is 64 units squared. Find the radius and the volume. Leave your answer in terms of pi. Decimals are okay. All right, to find the surface area of a sphere, it's 4 pi r squared. It tells us that the surface area is 64 pi units squared, so I plug that in here and solve for r. Divide by 4, or pi, I guess, 4 pi, excuse me. I get 16 equals r squared. Square root of 16, the radius is 4. Find the volume. Now that I have the radius, I need to find the volume. So 4/3 times pi r cubed. Volume equals 4/3 pi 4 to the third. How I put this into my calculator? Put 4/3 in parentheses times 4 cubed, or 4 to the third power, and then you should get a decimal. I got 85.3 repeating, so 0.33 pi would be your answer. And that's units cubed now since it's volume. Okay, 14 looks a little more looks and sounds more complicated than it actually is. It says consider a cylinder that holds 1 tennis ball. Okay, assuming a tight fit and that the radius of the tennis ball and the cylinder are both 3 inches. All right, so I got 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. All the radii are 3. Find the volume of when the cylinder is empty. So the volume of a cylinder is the same as the volume of a prism, so it's area of the base times the height. To find the area of a circle, it's pi radius squared times the height of 3. So it's 9 pi times 6. Why did I say 3? The height is 6. All right, the height is this side there. Okay, that is this side there. I'll highlight that in red. That is the length of the diameter, which is 6. Okay, is 6. So it's really just 9 times 6, which is 54 pi inches cubed. All right, so I'll explain that one again. Okay, the area of the base. The base is a circle. A circle area is pi r squared. So I do 3 squared times pi here. And then the height is 6. The height is equal to the diameter, which is 6. Now it says find the volume of the air in between and around the tennis ball when the container is holding the tennis ball. So it's no longer empty. So in order to do that, I need to figure out, okay, what is the volume of the sphere first? So the volume of the sphere, 4/3 pi 3 cubed, I got 36 pi. And then I have the volume of the air. So I need to take the volume of the cylinder, which is 54 pi, and subtract the volume of the sphere, which is 36 pi, to get 18 pi inches cubed. See? Not that bad. Not that bad. Have a great day.